Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sunil Prabhakar, Assistant Vice President, Head of International for BPL Medical Technologies. BPL Medical, the name suggests BPL means British Physical Laboratories, but I say Bohat Pyaare Lagte hain, being it so close to heart. It's a 63 years old company, started in 1963 and before that, but 1963 is officially because we started the transistor business. 1967 is when the medical business started. We were the largest company in Greater Asia. It means Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, up to Myanmar, who were making single-channel ECG machine with the help of Fukuda, Japan. Then the journey started. We have made patient monitors, defibrillators, oxygen concentrators. So in 2013, BPL got a funding, private equity funding from Goldman Sachs, and they took almost 69% shares. We are a Goldman Sachs portfolio company. With that funding, we have launched multiple other products which got stuck because of funds, like X-rays. We have a high-frequency X-ray. Then we have our C-arms, mobile digital X-ray. We have a couple of international partnerships as well for certain territories, like ultrasound. We have from Japanese Atom. We have from Lowenstein ventilators. And so far, we are exporting almost 49 countries. From far east, from Fiji, Papua New Guinea, to Latin America, Argentina, Bolivia, Ecuador, Bolivia. We are doing registrations in almost 7 countries, including Russia. Company has a huge aspirations and growth with a wide range of products, dedicated teams, good service support, good teams, good partners. We are expanding in multiple geographies. This particular conference where I'm standing, it gave a tremendous opportunity to expand further. This is all about myself, Sunil Prabhakar again. Thank you very much.